Today we will show you how to register and deregister for exams at the Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Ruhr-Universität Bochum in the online exam management system FlexNow, and also provide further important information on how to use FlexNow. How do I get to FlexNow? Before you access FlexNow, we recommend installing the ForgeRock app on your smartphone, which is used for the two-factor authentication required to log into FlexNow. Once you have downloaded the ForgeRock app from your Google Play Store or App Store, go to flexnow.rub.de and click on Log in with mobile app. This will take you to the eCampus web client login. Log in there with your usual login ID and your personal password. Now open the ForgeRock app and scan the QR code on the screen that has been displayed in the meantime. A numerical code will be generated in the ForgeRock app, which you must now enter in the last step of the FlexNow registration process. If you are logging into FlexNow for the first time and have not yet used the ForgeRock app, you can find video instructions from IT services on how to register a new device, your smartphone, for two-factor authentication here. Step 1. Check student data. The first step is to check your student data. Where am I enrolled or deregistered? Are my address and contact details still correct? You can make changes to your personal data at any time via eCampus. How do I register for an exam? You can only take part in an exam if you have registered for it. You can only register for an exam within the registration period for that exam. You can find out how this period is determined on our examination office website at fbi.rub.de. Click on Registration or Deregistration in the menu. You have two options for searching for a module. First, via the module search, i.e., you use the search input field at the top of the page to search for the part of the module name or exam name, and the modules found are then listed below the search field. Alternatively, you can also click through the exams until you reach the module you want. In both cases, click on the module in which you would like to take the exam and place it in the so-called exam basket. If you have made a mistake, you can cancel your selection by clicking on Remove Exam Basket. Important: scroll down to the bottom and click on the Submit button. Only then is your exam registration binding and therefore complete. You will then receive an automated email to your RUB email address. It looks like this. If the confirmation email is missing, please check the process of your exam registration. If you would like to register directly for several exams in FlexNow, you can select the modules one after the other. Place them in the exam basket and click on the Submit button as soon as all your desired exams are there. How do I deregister for an exam? Please note, if you do not appear for an examination that you have registered for without having deregistered within the deregistration period, this examination attempt will be graded as failed. Click on the News section. There you will see the exams you have registered for. Now all you have to do is click on the Deregister button from the desired exam and then confirm the query, do you want to deregister from the exam, with yes. If you have accidentally deregistered, please send an email to the examinations office of the faculty as soon as possible. Where can I see my grade? Under Latest Results, you can see the grade for the completed module. In the overview, you will find all results from the current semester. Important: check your data sheet regularly. Under Data Sheet, you can create a tabular overview of the examinations you have already registered for, deregistered from, passed, and failed. You can save this data sheet as a PDF document or print it out. Please check the information provided regularly. You can generate the verifiable sheet at any time, for example, for applications, scholarships, and the like. The verifiable data sheet is valid without a signature. The reader can check its authenticity using an ID and a password, both of which can be found at the top right of the first page of the data sheet. What about improvement attempts? Improvement attempts can only be registered via the examinations office. Please register there directly. Elective modules. I can't register. What do I do now? Elective modules of some other faculties, for example language courses, are managed with the eCampus system and must be registered according to the regulations of the respective faculty. Examinations in elective modules that cannot be registered via FlexNow or managed in eCampus can be registered by bachelor students in our faculty via the Examinations Office for Civil and Environmental Engineering. Bachelor students of our faculty can only register for additional elective modules via the Examinations Office. I receive an error message. What do I do now? If you receive an error message, simply take a screenshot and send it by email to the relevant Examinations Office at the following email address. We hope that we have been able to make your exam administration in FlexNow easier with this video and wish you every success with your upcoming exams.